Hi everyone, I'm Paddy Donnelly and I'm delighted to be one of the illustrators of a World Book Day book this year. And the book I am illustrating is The Big Bang. It's a story by Rose Ayling-Ellis and it's written by Katie Blackburn and illustrated by me. And I have written and illustrated many different picture books, including The Golden Hare, which is a story all about the magic of nature, and it's based on this real natural phenomenon, this real golden hare from Ireland. And this is a perfect story for anyone who likes nature and animals and magical creatures and things. So this is one that will be a really fun exploration of the natural world and kind of using your imaginations a little bit. So yeah, that's one I've written and illustrated myself. Another one which I've written and illustrated is Fox and Son Tailors. And this one here is set in a world where the animals have no tails. So tails just don't exist. But the foxes are very clever animals and they invented tails. And a father and his son, they sell the tails in a little shop called Fox and Son Tailors. And this book was actually one of the World Book Day books last year, which is really exciting. And since then, I have written a sequel and it's upside down. It's called Badger Books. And in this one, there's a bookshop next door to the tailor shop. And the little fox Rory goes into the bookshop to ask this particularly grumpy badger for a book. And this book does not exist yet. And this is a story all about creativity and storytelling and working together, and it has the same characters as Fox and Son Tailors. So if you like Fox and Son Tailors, I think you'll really like this one. So that's a little introduction to some of my books. I'm really excited to have worked on The Big Bang, which comes out this year. So I really hope you enjoy it this World Book Day. And happy reading, everyone. Bye.